by Devaraja Master. Other few songs during the session, during this musical session. But I think we all have to give a bit of credit to Jason Star. I mean, this is his first song, and he literally began with a bang, probably with the greatest start someone could have in film music, beginning with a song like this. And if you listen to his voice and how it developed over time, the lightness and airiness that was here, which was obviously found in all of his songs, became a little more round as his vocal career progressed, especially if you look at the combination between him and Devaraja Master, him and Dakshamurthy Swami. Udaharanamayitte, so listening to him singing Manyalai, Manyalail mungi torthi dhanumasa chandrika chandrika. He sings those sangadis with such ease. Ninne matram kandillallo prema jagori jagori jagori. The genius of Jason Sir as a singer was, for someone who has declared in so many interviews that he never formally studied music, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ സംഗീതത്തിൽ എപ്പോഴും ലളിതമുണ്ട്. That's the beauty of it, right? If you listen to a song like കാവ്യ പുസ്തകമല്ലോ ജീവിതം ഇതിൽ കണക്കെഴുതാൻ, or even the അശ്വതി നക്ഷത്രമേ എൻ അഭിരാമ സങ്കൽപ്പമേ തനനാനനനന തനനാനനനന തനനാനനനന. One of my favorite songs with the great Babuka. അനുരാഗഗാനം പോലെ അഴകിൻ്റെ അല പോലെ ആരു നീ ദേവതേ. അനുരാഗഗാനം പോലെ അഴകിൻ്റെ അല പോലെ so many amazing songs. Even with that great M.K. Arjuna Master. I was listening to even a live stage show, the way he sings in the original record. But when he goes to a stage show and he sings these songs, and the beauty of his songs was that they're so transforming. I mean, they transcended so many generations, because from Manyalai Mungi Torthi you had or even my own Guru's composition. Sharadambaram charu chandrika dharil mulukidale, Sharadambaram charu chandrika dharil mulukidale. Prananayaka Prananayaka Sani Sani Danida Prananayaka Tamakagama Pratniyayiripol nya Sharadambaram charu chandrika dharil mulukidale. So many different songs like that, right? But going back to Manyalai, the reason which I love his rendition is one, it's this song, Devaraja Master's composition. I can't speak enough about it, but of course Bhaskara Master's beautiful lyrics as well, right? And Devaraja Master composing 50, 60 odd songs in Mohanam, some of which we will get to later within this concert. But even that opening, it just begins with oh, takes a very specific pause. And after that one pause, it goes ga 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 ri 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 pa da pa da ga ri sa manyalayil mungi toti ധർമാസ ചന്ദ്രിക വന്നു നീ മാത്രം കണ്ടില്ലല്ലോ നീ മാത്രം വന്നില്ലല്ലോ പ്രേമ ജഗോരി ജഗോരി ജഗോരി. And even the next interlude, I want to also talk about those interludes